Introducing the RedEdge-P, the ultimate solution for high-res RGB and multispectral data. Obtain high-res RGB and multispectral data for extensive analysis with the RedEdge-P. The RedEdge-P seamlessly integrates a high-resolution panchromatic band with synchronized multispectral imagers to enable pixel-aligned outputs at previously unattainable resolutions, while maintaining the efficiency and reliability of the RedEdge legacy. At Micasense, our sensors use purpose-built optics and industry-leading industrial image sensors, coupled with narrow-band, scientific-grade filters. Rigorous testing ensures high-quality, calibrated, rugged tools for high-quality outputs. Featuring a 5.1 megapixel panchromatic band, it provides twice the ground resolution of the industry-standard RedEdge MX, enabling researchers, growers, and agronomists to spot smaller problems earlier and make more reliable management decisions across a variety of use cases. The higher ground resolution also enables the generation of 3D point clouds with up to 4 times the point density of the RedEdge MX. Outputs from RedEdge-P are aligned, so you could move back and forth seamlessly between layers and compare results month to month and season to season. RedEdge-P also uses the professional-grade CFexpress memory card standard, enabling over 2 captures per second for faster flight speeds, cutting down on time required to map an area. The RedEdge-P sensor continues the legacy of the RedEdge product line, known across the world for quality, durability, and dependability. It's made in the USA and backed by top-notch support. See why agriculture professionals, researchers, and land managers around the world recognize it as the new standard for data quality and repeatability.